Let's kill an Omega Destroyer. First step, bring in your chopper. Deselect it, bring in 4 controllers who will clean out the tanks for you. Okay, we're done with the chopper. Let's take out a few excavators. Okay, done with them. Now let's use some missiles. Deadeye. We got 4 towers to take out. While he's coming in, let's bring in twin blades. Twin blades will clean out the front. Get another Deadeye. Then we're going to use a shock. And then when he's shocked, we'll clean out this side. It's good enough for that. 1 shock. Now we'll use our twin blades. As soon as he's shocked, it's all dead. While that's happening, let's take out a few more towers. Take out another tower. As soon as he goes down, we'll shock him. As soon as he's shocked, we'll clean out this side. Okay. That was not what was supposed to happen. That's what happens when you click on the wrong spot. Twin blades. Select. Okay, I'm going to go up here because these guys, he will attack you, so get them out of there real fast. Okay, now we're going to bring in our controllers. I use 15 controllers. You can use as many as you want. I want to kill them all in 1 shot, but you can do it with less. We're going to get rid of the destroyer. Once they pause here, we're all going to gather together and we're going to go. All right, kill them. Okay. Go over here, kill these guys here. Just don't move because these guys will shoot you. Okay, now we can go over here. We're just about done. Get rid of these buzzsaws so we can bring in our aces. Okay. Take these guys out. Come up here. Once we get rid of the things that'll kill our ace, we're all good. take out these guys. All right, so we can get all these these buzz saws. There, got them. Retreat. Now we're going to bring in our aces. And the base is flat. We got 1:34, plenty of time. It's just that simple, just that easy. And we're going to get probably just thorium. I got all my things. Okay, you saw how it was done. Now, go copy it. You can do it.